Here's something that sounds impossible: Google, Instagram, even your bank €, most of them have no idea what your password actually is. They've never seen it. They couldn't tell you if they wanted to. So how do they let you in every single time you type it? The answer is one of the cleverest tricks in all of computing. Here's something that sounds impossible: Google, Instagram, even your bank €, most of them have no idea what your password actually is. They've never seen it. They couldn't tell you if they wanted to. So how do they let you in every single time you type it? The answer is one of the cleverest tricks in all of computing. Let me show you. Imagine a website kept every password written in a giant notebook. Now imagine a thief breaks in and steals that notebook. Game over €, millions of accounts, gone in one night. That's exactly what happened in some famous data breaches. So computer scientists asked a brilliant question: what if we could check your password is right without ever storing the password itself? Sounds like magic. It's actually math. Enter hashing. Think of it like a blender. You toss in a banana, strawberries, and milk, hit the button, and out comes a smoothie. Hashing does the same thing to your password €, it goes in one side, gets completely scrambled, and comes out as a long string of random-looking letters and numbers. Same ingredients, same smoothie, every single time. But here's the kicker: this blender only works one way. ST256 is the world's most famous blender recipe. The name just means it produces a result that's 256 bits long €, basically 64 characters of scrambled text. And no matter what you feed it €, a 4-letter password, your favorite song, or an entire library of books €, it always spits out exactly 64 characters. Think of it like a fingerprint, tiny, unique, and it represents you without revealing anything else. So why can't a hacker just run it backwards? Try this: take a smoothie and turn it back into a whole banana and perfect strawberries. Impossible, right? The blending destroyed the original shape forever. Hashing works the same way. The math mixes, chops, and folds your password thousands of times, throwing information away as it goes. Even the world's fastest supercomputer can't unblend it. There is simply no recipe for going backwards. Here's where it gets spooky. Change just one letter of your password €, say, cat, to, bat, €, and the hash doesn't change a little. It changes completely. Every single character comes out different. It's called the avalanche effect. One tiny pebble sets off a whole mountain slide. And that means a hacker can't get warmer by guessing close. You're either exactly right, or you're completely lost. But there's a sneaky loophole. If you and a million other people all use password 123, you all get the exact same hash. So hackers built giant cheat sheets €, pre-calculated hashes for billions of common passwords. They're called rainbow tables. It's like having the answer key to a test. Steal a database, look up each hash in the cheat sheet, and boom, passwords revealed. Scary, right? Luckily, there's a fix. The fix is adorable: it's called Assault. Before hashing your password, the website adds a random pinch of extra characters unique to you. It's like everyone making the same smoothie, but the chef secretly drops a different spice into each one. Now even identical passwords produce totally different hashes. Those giant cheat sheets. Useless. A hacker would need a brand new cheat sheet for every single person on Earth. So here's the full picture when you hit login. You type your password. The website adds your salt, runs it through SJ256, and gets a fingerprint. Then it compares that fingerprint to the one it saved when you signed up. Match? You're in. No match? Try again. Your actual password never gets stored and never gets compared directly. The website is matching fingerprints at the door not faces. Pretty elegant, honestly. So next time you log in, remember, your password gets blended into a fingerprint that nobody not even the website can reverse. That's it, 256. If this blew your mind even a little, hit subscribe, because next week we're tackling an even bigger mystery: how your credit card number travels across the internet without anyone reading it. That's encryption euro, a whole different kind of magic. See you there. Your password gets blended into a fingerprint that nobody euro, not even the website euro, can reverse. That's it, 256. If this blew your mind even a little, hit subscribe, because next week we're answering an even bigger question: how does your credit card number cross the internet without anyone reading it? That's encryption euro, and it's a whole different kind of magic. See you there.